What's up guys, this is Ram and now we're gonna see what's in ultimate distance nitro golf ball. Are you guys ready? Later on I'm gonna fire this up, whether this is going to be fire or not. This is on the scale, so it's 45 gram, 0.75 inches. It's moving. Guys, this is the best way to cut it. You see it? Oh yeah. Outer material is complete of plastic, and the inner, it's harder clay. So now I'm gonna see whether it is gonna fire. Let's fire it up, whether it's flame or not. Let's give a try. I don't know, so maybe we don't know the material, right? So this maybe this white layer material make it flame. Let's see. Oh, 1 gram is gone. Oh, do you guys see it? Oh my gosh, it's not exact. Yeah, 1 gram. Yeah, no, yeah, 1 gram. Yeah, 1 gram is gone because this powder, you see these powder, it's like 1 gram on my hands and everywhere. Oops. Oh, that's good thing I came in outside. You see guys? Oh my god, I couldn't believe this. Golf ball in actual fire. I wasn't thought of it. It's actually in fire. I can't believe this. So I have the full ball one that's out there. So it's good that I did an experiment. It's cool, right? Golf ball in actual fire. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.